Sanibonani bantu baseningizimu Afrika, siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi sibuyile sikhona. Kodwa namhlanje ngifuna ukukhuluma ngendaba enkulu. Yazi amadoda amaningi ayakhala ngokuthi kungenzeka yini ukuthi njengoba abantu besifazane belwa nokuthi amadoda angaqonywa angasithathi isithembu, abantu besifazane bayahamba bayofuna imithi ezinyangeni bawadlisa amadoda. Iqiniso lelo, abantu besifazane abaningi benza konke okusemandleni ukuthi indoda ihlale ingeyakhe, enze yonke into yokuthi indoda ayigcine ingeyakhe ukuze ingathathwa omunye umuntu. Umbona kanjani kumfazi odlisa indoda? Umfazi odlisa indoda umbona ngokuthi azenze imvu engathi iyahlonipha, kube singathi uthobela umthetho. Kodwa mmeke yathi indoda ifuna ukwenza into ephambana naye lo nkosikazi, uzombona yonke lento akade yiyona eyifihlile ethi umuntu othobile, umuntu ohloniphayo, umuntu odlula konke nje ongakucabanga, uzovela obala. Yini evela obala? Angithi utsheliwe ukuthi lapha enyangeni enze ngathi uyayihlonipha le ndoda, kodwa mangabe sebona ukuthi umuthi wenyanga nalento akade ethi uyayenza naledliswa lisasebenzi, uyaphoqeleka ukuthi aphume yena kwishell, avele ububuhlaza bakhe, akhombise ukubhikisha azangabi nandaba, azathi kwalomendo lo akawuncengile ngamana uphela. Yini esho kanjalo? Ingoba uthembe lezi zinto zakhe azifakile endodeni, uthembe lezi zinto azixishile endodeni ukuthi zizomlwela. Kusho ukuthi ngenye indlela uqonda ukuthini? Uqonda ukuthi noma ngingaphuma ngibhekele uzoyimonitha indoda ukuthi ngeke yini izimlandele igijima. Lo mfazi ufuna ukuyihlukanisa indoda nezihlobo zayo, lo mfazi ufuna ukuyihlukanisa indoda nabangani bayo, lo mfazi ufuna ukuyihlukanisa even nabazali nodadewabo nabafowabo. Indoda ufuna ukuyilawula, ufuna ukuyicontrola. Umuzwa ethi usibanibani uzwa mina, usibanibani akayenze enye into esecaleni ngaphandle kwalesho yimina. Umuzwa ebrega, ekhombisa amandla akhe, ezinweba, ezikhukhumeza. Lo mfazi futhi uphilisa indoda ngokunxiselela, uyayitshela ukuthi uma ungakwenza ukuthi mina ngizowenza ukuthi. Uphumela obala aqashule, uyazikhombisa. Uma ngabe ke umuthi wakho usahamba kahle, ungezwe indoda imncoma ithi yavela ungile lo mfazi kave yona yonke into. Ake ungahambi kahle umuthi wakhe, uphelelwa amandla, uyaphuma abonakala ukuthi uyibhoqolo elingakanani, akhombisa amandla akhe. Ngaleso sikhathi ngeke alale, ngeke azaphumule, egijima ehambe eyovuselela lo muthi ukuze aphinde futhi ayigobe indoda. Yingakho ke ngithi baqinisile laba bathi uma ngabe seliphelile idliso, inkungu endodeni iyaxwebuka, ibona ukuthi ihlangene noSathane uqobo la, ibona ukuthi ihlangene nomuntu ongenza noma yini ukuyidicilela phansi isithunzi sayo. Okusempeleni uhlale efuna ukukhombisa ezikhukhumeza ukuthi uyena onamandla.
Anyway, guys, so people are saying to Musa Mseleku, please mention the name. We know who you're talking about. So on this video, Musa Mseleku was warning the husband to be very careful of their wives, because some of these wives, they will be supporting you. Make sure that you are fine, your dreams, your career, everything. Make sure that you are a man. But when you talk about isitembo, they will totally disagree with you. Chances is that wife is using a muthi to you, or a love potion type of situation. So Musa Mseleku is saying that you need to be very careful. But guys, let's all be honest, a lot of ladies, they don't like isitembo. You know, they know that isitembo is not for the easy one, guys. Isitembo is a very difficult, especially if you don't have anything. No wonder why people are telling Sneh to go back to school to make something. As long as his father is alive, she's gonna be fine. But when he's alive, his father is no more, chances for her, she's gonna suffer a lot. And a lot of ladies have came out on social media to say that, you know what, I was born under this temple. When my mom was no longer there, I end up in the street, you know, while my father was still alive, you know. So you need to be very, very careful. I think for Musa Mseleku it works because he has money. He's mentioned on this other podcast to say that he spent close to 30,000 a month, but when he gives the allowance depend how many members of the family. If Makumalo, obviously she's gonna get the less because it's her, and then below Umangare, you know what, maybe she's gonna get more, or Matele, she's gonna get more. It depends how many of you in that house. So that's how he contribute monthly to his all his wives, because Musa Mseleku, right now as I'm speaking to you, he has a wife number 5. So obviously you mean the bills are now have increased, you know. So people are saying also that Musa Mseleku, you are destroying marriage, you know. People are happy, are fine. Now you are teaching these men to be smart, to be very careful of their wife. Just because a wife does not agree with you taking a second wife or third wife doesn't mean that this wife is using a love potion. Women, they've went through a lot. Some of them, they do contribute. Maybe she does contribute 50% of everything around the house. She's working, she has a career, and there's another lady coming. We have seen on Munagwe too, there is a lady coming in to say that I want to be a second wife. At that time, the second wife, she doesn't have anything, she just have a child with this man. And here, as a woman, you need to make sure that the second wife is fine. You know very well that your husband is struggling to complete everything. Here he is asking you to take a second wife. So women are saying that Musa Mseleku, when it comes to this one, we totally disagree with you. You have, who are you talking? You better mention a name, because you don't involve us in this type of situation. No, Musa Mseleku. So anyway, guys, that is Musa Mseleku winning their husband to say that husband, you need to be very careful of these wives. They are not good angels. So anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, it, so like, comment. Happy Wednesday. Please take care of yourself. Bye.